The pink stuff. What is the pink stuff? Well, it's called insulation. You've probably seen it in your home for a repair job or some kind of minor remodel job. But let me break it down a little bit more further what we're doing today. Insulation is actually going directly onto the flooring. This insulation is going to sit underneath your finished flooring like hardwood, SPV, LVP, or laminate flooring. What does that mean? Well, when you install insulation underneath your flooring, it's going to keep the moisture out, paired with a vapor barrier that we've installed at this project. In addition to that, it's going to keep any kind of sound at a minimal level. And the best part that I like, during the summer seasons, it actually keeps your floor cooler. And during the winter season, it keeps your floors warmer. That is the most effective way that you can be energy efficient at your home. So again, this process is a non-negotiable. Whenever you're building a home or new construction build, if someone's doing any kind of work, always make sure they put insulation underneath your flooring. If not, your energy bills are gonna go higher, you're gonna have a lot more moisture problems, and you're probably gonna hear everything underneath your crawl space. So if you wanna know more, learn more, or see more, follow our social media channels. My name is JoJo with the SOJO team.